Every night, billions of people look up and see the same familiar object, a pale silver disk floating silently in the darkness. Poets have written about it, lovers have admired it, and entire civilizations have built myths around its mysterious glow. To us, the moon feels permanent, peaceful, and eternal, a faithful companion that has always watched over Earth from above. But what if everything we think we know about the moon is wrong? What if that beautiful object hanging in the night sky is actually the evidence of one of the most violent catastrophes in our planet's history? And what if, at this very moment, our greatest cosmic protector is slowly drifting away from us? The truth about the moon is far stranger, far darker, and far more important to our survival than most people realize. Without it, Earth would be a completely different world, and humanity might never have existed at all. To understand the moon, we must travel back more than 4.5 billion years, to a time when Earth was unrecognizable. There were no oceans, forests, continents, or living creatures. The young Earth was a raging inferno covered by vast seas of molten rock, constantly battered by asteroids and comets in a chaotic newborn solar system. During this violent era, another world wandered through space nearby. Scientists call it Theia, a planetary body roughly the size of Mars. For millions of years, gravity slowly pulled Earth and Theia toward an unavoidable encounter. Then came the collision. Traveling at incredible speeds, the two worlds slammed into each other with a force so immense that it nearly destroyed both planets. The impact vaporized mountains, melted entire regions of planetary crust, and blasted trillions of tons of molten debris into orbit around Earth. For a brief moment, our planet was transformed into a glowing, wounded world surrounded by a ring of fire. But from that destruction came creation. Over time, gravity pulled the orbiting debris together, and a new celestial body began to form. Piece by piece, fragment by fragment, the moon was born. The moon is not a captured object from deep space, it is a part of Earth itself, a surviving relic of a catastrophe that forever changed our planet's destiny. Unlike Earth, the moon preserves the memory of its past. On our planet, wind, rain, rivers, oceans, and tectonic activity constantly erase the scars left by ancient disasters. Mountains rise and fall, continents drift, and evidence of the distant past is slowly recycled back into the planet. The moon has no such mechanisms. It has no atmosphere, no weather, and no active geology capable of erasing its wounds. Every crater on its surface remains frozen in time, recording billions of years of cosmic violence. Some of these craters are relatively small, while others are so enormous that they stretch across vast portions of the lunar landscape. The South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the largest impact structures in the solar system, spans more than 2,500 kilometers. Each scar represents an object that crashed into the moon at tremendous speeds, releasing unimaginable amounts of energy. Looking at the moon is like reading a history book written in stone. It remembers every impact, every collision, and every moment of chaos that shaped the solar system long before humans ever appeared. The moon is far more than a beautiful object in the night sky. It plays a critical role in protecting and stabilizing our planet. For billions of years, Earth and the moon have been locked together in a gravitational partnership that has shaped the conditions necessary for life. One of the moon's most important functions is helping stabilize Earth's axial tilt. Our planet is tilted approximately 23.5 degrees, and this tilt creates the seasons that support diverse ecosystems across the globe. The moon's gravitational pull acts as a stabilizing force, preventing Earth's axis from wobbling dramatically over time. Without this stabilizing influence, our planet could experience extreme shifts in climate, making the environment far less predictable for complex life. The moon also creates the tides by pulling on Earth's oceans. These tides influence marine ecosystems, coastal environments, and may even have played a crucial role in the development of early life. In countless ways, both visible and invisible, the moon has helped create the stable environment that allowed life, and eventually humanity, to flourish. The moon is far more than a beautiful object in the night sky. It plays a critical role in protecting and stabilizing our planet. For billions of years, Earth and the Moon have been locked together in a gravitational partnership that has shaped the conditions necessary for life. One of the Moon's most important functions is helping stabilize Earth's axial tilt. Our planet is tilted approximately 23.5 degrees, and this tilt creates the seasons that support diverse ecosystems across the globe. The Moon's gravitational pull acts as a stabilizing force, preventing Earth's axis from wobbling dramatically over time. Without this stabilizing influence, our planet could experience extreme shifts in climate, making the environment far less predictable for complex life. The Moon also creates the tides by pulling on Earth's oceans. These tides influence marine ecosystems, coastal environments, and may even have played a crucial role in the development of early life. In countless ways, both visible and invisible, the Moon has helped create the stable environment that allowed life, and eventually humanity, to flourish. One of the most spectacular sights in nature is a total solar eclipse. These events occur because of an extraordinary coincidence. Although the Sun is about 400 times larger than the Moon, it is also approximately 400 times farther away. As a result, both objects appear nearly the same size in Earth's sky. During a total eclipse, the Moon can perfectly cover the Sun, creating one of the most breathtaking celestial displays humans can witness. However, this alignment is temporary. As the Moon continues moving farther away from Earth, its apparent size in the sky gradually decreases. Millions of years from now, the Moon will no longer be large enough to completely block the Sun. Future observers may only witness annular eclipses, where a bright ring of sunlight remains visible around the Moon. Total solar eclipses, one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena, will eventually disappear forever. It is difficult to imagine Earth without the Moon because it has been part of our planet's story for nearly its entire existence. Yet removing the Moon would dramatically alter the world we know. The most obvious change would be darker nights, but the consequences would extend far beyond that. Ocean tides would become significantly weaker, disrupting countless marine ecosystems. Many species that rely on tidal cycles for feeding, reproduction, and migration would face major challenges. Earth's axial stability would also be reduced, potentially leading to greater long-term variations in climate. While scientists continue to debate exactly how dramatic these changes would be, there is little doubt that the Moon has played a major role in shaping Earth's environment. From influencing ocean currents to affecting the length of our days, its presence has been woven into the history of life itself. The Earth we know today is, in many ways, a product of its partnership with the Moon. Tonight, when you step outside and look up at the Moon, remember that you are not simply looking at a distant rock illuminated by sunlight. You are looking at the surviving remnant of a planetary collision so violent that it nearly destroyed the young Earth. You are looking at a celestial body that has preserved billions of years of cosmic history, protected our planet from countless impacts, influenced our oceans, stabilized our world, and helped create the conditions that allowed life to thrive. The Moon is not merely Earth's companion, it is part of Earth's own story. It is a fragment of our planet's ancient past, forever circling above us as a silent reminder of the chaos from which we emerged. And while it continues its slow journey away from Earth, its legacy remains written into every tide, every season, and every chapter of human existence. The next time you gaze at the Moon, consider this extraordinary possibility. You may be looking at a piece of Earth that was lost billions of years ago, yet never truly left us behind.